Remember who you are. I rise from ancient waters, light inside my veins. I walk between the worlds, untouched by earthly chains. My soul remembers lifetimes, my fire never dies. I move through every shadow with truth behind my eyes. I made of galaxies humming in my bones, 1,000 cosmic timelines lighting up my throne. My soul is ancient light. I am power in the night. I am everything I lost. I am everything I find. I'm the star that never fades. I'm the flame the world can't take. I'm divine in every breath. I am life, rebirth, and grace. I hear the voices calling, ancestors in the wind. They guide me through dimensions. They rise and speak again. I shine through every lifetime. My aura never dims. I'm guarded by the heavens. No darkness ever wins. I am the lineage, I am the throne. I am the magic returned to its home. I am the reason the storms step aside. I am the chosen, the call.